Okay, children, welcome. Right now, we are going to start another day, another week, and a new cycle. Well, today is Tuesday, May the 26th, 2020. Yesterday was a holiday, it was Monday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. Let's see what's the weather like. Let's start from here. Is today a sunny day or is it cloudy, rainy, or windy? I don't know. Just take a look outside of your window and check if or what is the weather like. Is it today foggy? Well, I don't know, but you are going to check, you are going to watch through the window and tell me what's the weather like. Okay, now the agenda for today, sweetie, is at the beginning of the day Spanish class. After the Spanish, art. Remember, sweetie pretties, that here you are going to follow the instructions, and these instructions must be uh, beautiful. Why? Because you are going to use your creativity. And when you use your creativity and you are innovative, you can change products and you can do better work, okay, and better products around the world. After art class, you are going to have the snack class, snack time. Sorry, no, it's not a snack class. Obviously, I miss Patty. What are you thinking about? After the snack, you are going to have language and unit, and after unit, lunchtime. After lunchtime, remember that here you have the opportunity of practice reading. You can use this reading time to enjoy this time with Miss Glorita Garzon, or you can choose a personal book in Tumble Books or books that you have at home. Okay? So, people, this week is a wonderful week in which we are going to learn many things. So please keep in mind that you are the most beautiful and intelligent kids in the school and all around the world. Okay. I love you so much. Kisses for you all. Lots of hugs for you. And keep your work. Keep your excellent work. Okay. Bye. I love you.